Hi, I'm Richard Placette with MRB Capital Group, and today I would like to discuss something most investors completely overlook. Most investors believe risk is simply losing money, but true investment risk goes much deeper than that. Sometimes risk means taking on far more volatility than you're emotionally comfortable with, and other times risk means being far too conservative and falling short of your financial goals. The problem is most people don't actually know how much risk their portfolio is currently undertaking. They guess. Emotional investing often leads to poor outcomes during drastic market swings. That's why understanding portfolio positioning is so valuable. Not only aligning with your comfort level, but also your risk tolerance. Not fear, not hype, not emotion. The investors that succeed in the long run focus on strategy, not emotion.